Hey, little booger. What are you playing? Is that Roblox?
Geometry Dash.
Oh,
No, I'm playing.
can I play?
No, my iPad, my rules.
What'd you say? Little booger, can you play? Okay, check it out. Okay, I'll pull out the RPG. Music.
I'll be right back. I gotta go use the restroom.
Okay. What are you doing? What the? You good, little booger? Right away. If someone can make this look like an airplane, please and thank you, because I do not make green screen stuff. I can try at least. Oh my god, I'm gonna help you. Oh, I forgot everything's metal in this game. Little booger? You good?
Yeah.